This non-primitive types uses a heap memory. That means it uses an heap memory. That is, so what are the various non-primitive types available? So the various non-primitive types, that means the TypeScript non-primitive types. The TypeScript non-primitive types are, we have an array type, we have an object type, we have a regular expression type, So we have so many other types we will see now. Basic are three. These three comes under non-primitive types. We have an array, an object, and a regular expression. These are the non-primitive types, basic non-primitive types. Now, what are these types and how we can access the types and how to use these types? Because in our Angular, especially when we are dealing with data and we are dealing with complex functionalities, so everything will be majority of these primitive and non-primitive types. That is the reason we need to be very perfect in understanding these data types, because we are going to use them everywhere in our Angular. So when we are using in Angular, I no need to explain about them again. We can directly start using them and handle them in various examples. So let's see what are these types. What is an array? What is an object? What is a regular expression? What are the basic types? Let's see. So first important, you need to understand about array type. Array type. Now here some important points are there. When you are dealing with TypeScript, so you will find several topics similar to your other programming languages if you are aware of, like Java, .NET, PHP, and all others. But many concepts vary a little bit here. So we need to detailedly understand them. So we should not compare with your existing languages that you already know. So here we will see detailedly about those concepts. Actually, so generally, if anyone asks what is an array and what is the purpose of an array technically, so generally when we ask the question about what is array and what is the purpose of an array, then we have a regular answer that comes from everyone. So if already they are aware of programming, technically, what is the basic purpose of an array in computer programming? If I ask that question, what will be your answer? Can you tell? If you already have aware of that, what is the purpose of an array in computer programming? What will be your answer? Any one of you? So to store similar type of data. So many times this problem, this point comes here. like it is used to store similar type of same type of data, right? And multiple types of data, right? But actually, technically, that is wrong because, yeah, fine. So majority of you have answered that it is used to store same type of data, right? But see here, so I will, yeah, fine. But see here, I will show here when we are dealing with Typescript, I will show here. Generally, that is the basic definition given by anyone when we ask what is the purpose of array. But let's see that. Yeah. So I will add another folder here, non-primitive types. Okay. In that, I will add a new file, array demo.ts. And see here, I am declaring let and some values, and it is an array type. Array type, that means we are defining an array type. In the array type, I am storing 10, I am storing true, I am storing a, and you can see all the three are valid. I will print console.log and values dot to string. I am storing like this, and I will save this. I will compile and run this. So I will explore. I will run this. Open and compile and run this. TSC. So that is array demo.ts and node array demo.js. You can see it is working. That means whenever you say that array is used to store same type of values, similar type of values, that is always a wrong definition. Why? Because you can see here, now my array is not storing same type values. One is number, another one is boolean, another one is a string. That means the definition that you have given about array, that it is similar type of values, is not correct. It is one of the nature of array, but it is not the definition for array. Technically, in computer programming, if anyone asks what is the purpose of array, then you should say that arrays are used in programming to reduce for two things. Computer programming to reduce overhead and to reduce complexity. Arrays in computer programming are used for two different purposes. They are used for reducing overhead and they are used for city. Actually, array array is a collection